this come in the mail today, courtesy of Terry Crittenden from Cutter Loose out in Lethbridge, Alberta. Thanks a lot, Terry. Can't wait to get this out of the package here and see what this all looks like and get this installed, see what it sounds like here. See, we got the BOSS audio system BRT26A soundbar in here. So, woohoo! See what we got going on in here. Yeah! Alright, let's get this opened up. See what we got in here. This out of this damn box, considering Pure later decided it was a good idea to just drop this outside in the rain. Nice one, Pure later. Oh. Nice. Gotta love that when the bill says no charge. Alright, so just stack this here. Don't belong in there. Nice. Sweet. Thanks, Terry. Perfect business cards like I asked for. Tons of stickers. I'll be sending that out to some people, some members here. Perfect. Just ran out. Needed some more. Nice. Oh. Perfect boxes to ship some axles in. Let's see what we got here. There's anything here. Nice. Well, BOSS is known to make some fairly decent quality stuff. So. Nice. Looks like some heavy duty brackets here. Oh, that is a heavy little bar. Heavy little bar. From what Terry was telling me too, this thing's really nice because check this out. You can just plug this into your accessory plug. Instant power. No need to sit there and wire this into anything like that. That's just nice. I mean, looks like, okay, you got yourself a little USB plug here, a little USB charger, a little plug. Nice. Audio cord, audio jack. Ah, nice, 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 nice. Can't wait to get this guy mounted up. This sounds, she sounds pretty sweet. Ah, yeah, nice. Quick, easy tunage. Nice. So you can see there, this must be their 6 speaker set up. Nice, got the main controls here, Bluetooth ready. Ah, cool. Wonder if this thing's got a radio on it. No, probably not. Anyways, well, can't wait to get this here mounted up, see how this sounds like. I'm gonna say it again. Nice. I have to take a minute and see how this actually mounts up. Perfect. Well, we'll get her out into the shed. And sense of staring at it on the table does us no good here. Right. Alright, so here we are. We're going to install our soundbar here that Terry over at Cutter Loose sent us. This thing is a heavy little bastard. So, what do we got here? We got a little Bose 4-speaker soundbar. Nice. I'm pretty sure I already told you guys what it was when I opened it up here. So, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the mounts out. We're going to mount this up, and we're going to see how she all mounts up to the roll cage and what she looks like when we're done. How's that sound? Sweet. Yeah. So you guys can see what's going on right here right now. So we're adding these guys right now. So what you do is you add your little nut. No, we're missing a piece here. Don't listen to me. Still missing a piece here. There we go. So you got this nut. It's just like that little game when you were a kid when you fit shapes into the hole. The same shape. The nut enters in there. And then from there you're going to slide this guy onto the end of here. Like so. And then you add your Allen key style guy. I find it's just easier maybe if you just started a couple of turns here by finger. You want to leave it really loose to slide her in. Well, if you need her really loose to slide her in, you're probably doing all right. I need her loose to slide her in. There. Couple mounts. And then these ends here are threaded. So when you add your second mount on top, you'll just zip bolt right in. And you'll be good to go. That's really that simple. So all we're going to do now maybe is we're just going to tighten these guys first. Getting pretty much straight here. But seems like it's nice and that should be nice and tightly mountable. This guy here for a second. Side it once. You stay there for a minute. Don't fall on. Pretty well balanced system. Please stay. Please, please, please stay. Just a little bit longer. Alright, I think we're just going to mount this right about a motherfucking boom, just like that. Add a rubber pieces down to the bottom because it makes sense to tighten that first, then you can add those. And it's just a matter of lifting this up, start to tighten this down. It's got a little bit of weight. It's not the heaviest thing that you're ever going to lift. What's up, kitty cat? I hear a cat, but I don't see one. So there we go. It's all mounted up. That's where she's going for now. Probably what we're going to do for now is we're just going to... Sorry. Just because I got some stuff to do tomorrow. We're not going to be going too far with this for the time being. I think we're just going to hook her into our cigarette lighter for now. And that way there we can just plug and play around and have it hooked up when we want and not when we don't. You just plug it right in and, geez, even with the key in, this thing still has power, does it? Oh, yeah, there you go. You get your Bluetooth mode, your auxiliary mode. Those are really your only two modes, but it's nice to have the auxiliary. Sometimes Bluetooth is, you even have a little extra port here for the USB. I think I might have shown you guys that already, but there she is, all mounted and lit up anyways. You know, literally like maybe like 10 minutes of your time to get this mounted. And the kicker is $2.99 Canadian at Cut or Loose. You get a hold of Terry Crittenden. $2.99. I think this is a smashing deal. Smashing deal at $2.99. Smashing deal, $2.99. Okay, so here's a little update on our Bose stereo system here that we've installed. I've been using it for a couple of months now. As you can tell, she's a little dirty. The only issue I had with it, and it was my own stupidity, is I forgot to put this away properly, and the little piece broke here, but I mean, tape it up and it still works fine. So what we're going to do is, because I wanted to show you guys the versatility of this piece also, is now that I got a roof on my machine, which you guys will be seeing coming up there in a future video here. So we're going to mount the bar here for now. Sound bar right here. That's where she's going to go. So we'll just show you that I realized when I was going through the video, getting ready to edit this, that I never mentioned anywhere is that you can mount this up basically, as you can see here, the slides in the top here, but it also has a slot here to slide in the bottom, and also a slot in the back. So I mean, you're really left with a lot of mounting options for this piece. And she's a heavy pig for a little sound bar, but anyways, that's what we're gonna do. And not quite sure, but all of our wires are on the wrong side for our razor, so we might switch everything over size, but we'll see. It's no big deal anyways. Alright, so let's get to mounting that guy up. That's how perfect. Nice. Okay. Nicely mounted. I think maybe we'll give you guys a sound test now that we got that all. I forgot to grab a sound test the last time, so I'll grab the laptop and we'll load something up here. Alright, so we're going to try to hook you up here with a little bit of sound test here. Free music off of YouTube, so don't snarl at me for the quality or the type of music. I can only do what I can do. YouTube don't let us play anything. So if you guys check it out, this thing even comes with its own little remote here. Sure, if you put a little piece of sticky Velcro on there, she'll stick no problem. No, I mean, I've tested this out for the past couple of months now. She's held up pretty good. How long ago she was pretty dirty, I cleaned her up. But no, she's not wet. She's had some mud on her. I was just I think it'll sound a lot better now too once we got now that we got this windshield on here. We'll just turn up the volume a little bit.